You might be thinking, I'm eating well and staying active, so why am I still losing muscle? But every day you could be missing a single nutrient that silently drains your strength. If you're not getting enough magnesium, muscle loss can creep up, no matter how healthy you eat or how hard you exercise. I'm Dr. David R. Collins. For 25 years, I've helped older adults protect their strength and independence. Today, I want to reveal the hidden role of magnesium in safeguarding your muscles and what most seniors get wrong. Recent research from Harvard and the Mayo Clinic confirms magnesium deficiency is a major cause behind muscle weakness in older adults. So let's walk through this, step by step, and discover what actually protects your muscles as you age. Did you know 1 in 3 seniors don't get enough magnesium daily? Skipping magnesium could quietly speed up muscle loss, even if you eat well. How can you spot the signs of deficiency before it's too late? Don't miss this next part. Let's begin with the question most people never ask. Why does muscle loss creep up, even when you're doing everything right? As we age, our bodies start working differently behind the scenes. You might notice small things. Climbing stairs gets harder, lifting groceries feels heavy, or recovering from a little slip takes longer than it used to. If you're nodding along, you're not alone. Millions of older adults experience this gradual weakening, often without realizing what's happening. One reason? Muscle loss isn't always loud or obvious at first. It's slow, silent, and for many, almost invisible, until a critical moment, like a fall or a sudden struggle to stand up. The real danger is that this weakness often catches us during ordinary routines, carrying laundry, stepping off the curb, or trying to stand from a chair. Here's a simple fact. By age 60, you could lose up to 1% of your muscle mass every year, not because you skipped exercise, but because your body's chemistry quietly changes. Unfortunately, just eating more protein or working out harder may not be enough if your body's missing other key ingredients. So ask yourself, are your daily routines becoming just a bit tougher, little by little? Do simple tasks sometimes leave you feeling a bit more tired than you expected? If these questions hit close to home, it's not your fault, it's your biology. The good news? There's real hope ahead. You can step in and protect your strength, but only if you know what's working against you. Starting around age 40, your body begins to lose muscle mass naturally due to shifts in hormone levels and nutrient absorption, especially magnesium. According to a 2022 Mayo Clinic summary, age-related muscle loss, called sarcopenia, is largely preventable with the right knowledge and early action. Now here's where it gets interesting. One overlooked nutrient can quietly tip the odds in your favor. Let's talk about the hidden power of magnesium, coming up next. So we've seen how muscle loss sneaks up with age. But what makes magnesium so important? And what happens when you don't get enough? Let's get right to it. Magnesium is the quiet hero behind your muscle health. Most people hear magnesium and think of supplements, but your body needs this mineral every single day to move, lift, and stay steady on your feet. Magnesium doesn't just help your muscles contract and relax. It's directly tied to how your cells create energy, repair tissue, and communicate with your nerves. As you age, your body gets less efficient at absorbing magnesium, even if you eat well. Some medications, normal age-related changes in digestion, and everyday stress can all zap levels without warning. Recent studies suggest that almost 1 out of 3 seniors don't get enough magnesium, leading to slower recovery, weaker muscles, and even muscle cramps or falls. Shockingly, you could eat enough protein and still lose muscle if magnesium is missing from your routine. So, what are the signs? You may notice muscles feeling a little heavy, subtle cramps or twitching. Even mild fatigue or trouble sleeping can be clues. Pause and ask yourself, could that nagging weakness be more than just getting older? Is a hidden deficiency quietly holding your progress back? Ignoring magnesium deficiency doesn't only risk muscle loss. It can also impact your heart rhythm, bone strength, and energy levels. But here's the hopeful part. This is one thing you can control, starting today. Magnesium activates over 300 enzymes in the body, many of which are crucial for muscle contraction and energy. Without enough, muscle repair grinds to a halt. The latest Harvard Health Review highlights magnesium as essential for healthy aging and muscle maintenance, especially for adults over 50. Next, I'll show you how to spot the subtle warning signs that most seniors and even many doctors miss. Stay with me. Now, let's dig into a question most people never think to ask. How can you actually tell if you might be low in magnesium? Magnesium deficiency is one of those silent problems, easy to overlook, but serious if ignored. Many older adults chalk up certain symptoms to just getting older, when in fact their bodies are waving red flags. Here's what to watch for. Muscle cramps or twitches. These can be early warning signs that your muscles aren't getting the minerals they need. Aching or heavy legs. If you feel tired after short walks or standing, it might be more than age. Unexplained fatigue. If daily tasks leave you feeling worn out, don't blame your age right away. Trouble sleeping or restless nights. Magnesium calms nerves and muscles. Low levels can disturb your sleep. Mild tremors or shakes. Even a hint of shakiness could be a signal. Irregular heartbeats. This can be serious. If you sense your heart skipping or fluttering, tell your doctor, but don't ignore the mineral link. The tricky part? Blood tests often miss low magnesium because most of it is stored in your tissues, not your blood. That's why paying attention to how you feel, especially new or worsening symptoms, is so important. So ask yourself, have you experienced any subtle changes in your energy, muscle strength, or sleep lately? Are any of these symptoms new or gradually getting worse? Waiting too long can bring bigger risks: muscle weakness, poor balance, or, worst of all, a fall that threatens your independence. But remember, the goal is awareness, not panic. Spotting these signs early means you're already ahead of the curve. Almost 70% of adults over 60 have at least one symptom of magnesium deficiency within the past year, according to recent PubMed reports. A Mayo Clinic review notes that early symptoms of magnesium deficiency are often subtle but crucial to address for long-term health. Coming up next, what really happens if you ignore magnesium, and why waiting is never worth the risk. Let's get real. What's at stake if you let magnesium deficiency slide without taking action? Ignoring low magnesium isn't just about feeling tired or occasional cramps. The risks build up quietly, then hit fast when you least expect. For many older adults, untreated magnesium deficiency unlocks a domino effect of health problems. Accelerated muscle loss. When magnesium is low, your body can't repair or grow muscle efficiently. This means every year you lose more strength, not just in the gym, but in critical day-to-day movements. Greater risk of falls and frailty. Weak muscles equal poor balance and slow reflexes. One misstep or stumble can lead to serious injury, even a broken hip, which is a top cause of losing independence. Heart and bone health suffer. Magnesium also helps regulate your heartbeat and keeps bones dense. Let it drop, and your risk for arrhythmia or osteoporosis quietly climbs. Slow recovery. Even small injuries, bruises, or strains take longer to heal, keeping you out of action and robbing confidence. Mental well-being. There's emerging evidence connecting magnesium with brain health. Seniors low in magnesium may experience anxiety, low mood, or more confusion. Pause and think. Just one fall or health crisis can change your entire future. So ask yourself, is muscle weakness making you more cautious in your daily routines? How would losing your independence affect your life, relationships, and peace of mind? Here's the hopeful news. Magnesium deficiency is reversible. As soon as you restore healthy levels, your muscles can bounce back, balance improves, and you protect your future. Studies from The Lancet show seniors with healthy magnesium levels cut their risk of falls by up to 40%. The Mayo Clinic calls magnesium one of the most overlooked keys for maintaining independence, energy, and staying out of the hospital. Ready for a real solution? Next, I'll walk you through a simple action plan, how to protect your muscles starting today. Now, let's shift from risk to real solutions. How can you make magnesium a priority in your daily life, starting now? Here's the truth. Safeguarding your muscle strength is all about small, simple changes that add up. You don't need expensive supplements, but you do need to be intentional. Step 1. Review your weekly diet. Are you including foods naturally high in magnesium? While supplements are helpful, real food sources are absorbed better by the body. Some examples: leafy greens, beans, nuts, seeds, and whole grains. Don't worry. Later, I'll break down the easiest options for you. Step 2. Talk to your doctor about your medications. Some common prescriptions, especially for high blood pressure, heartburn, or diabetes, can lower magnesium. It's smart to mention muscle symptoms and ask if a magnesium check is needed. Step 3. Stay hydrated. Dehydration can make low magnesium worse, so keep a water bottle handy throughout the day. Step 4. Monitor your symptoms. Keep a simple log of any muscle cramps, fatigue, or sleep troubles. Share these notes in routine checkups. Don't just write them off as getting older. Step 5. Move daily. Gentle exercise, walking, stretching, or even balancing on one foot helps your muscles use magnesium efficiently and rebuild strength. Pause and ask yourself, have you tried making magnesium-rich foods a consistent part of your meals this week? Are there habits or medications you could discuss with your provider? Remember, protecting your muscle strength is about consistency, not perfection. Start with 1 or 2 changes today and build gradually. A balanced daily magnesium intake for seniors is around 320 to 420 milligrams, usually achieved with 2 servings of leafy greens and a handful of nuts, according to Mayo Clinic guidelines. Recent Harvard studies confirm consistent magnesium intake can restore muscle function and help prevent costly injuries. Up next, I'll share how to stay motivated, track your progress, and what to expect as you protect your health in just a few easy steps. So you've learned how critical magnesium is for muscle health. Now let's keep that momentum and make these healthy changes stick. Staying motivated can be tough, but every step counts. Here's how to track your progress and protect your strength for the long run. Set one small goal today. Maybe it's adding a magnesium-rich food to your next meal, or writing down any muscle symptoms before your next doctor's visit. Celebrate tiny wins. If you notice feeling stronger on stairs, less cramping, or simply more energy, recognize it. These are meaningful signs your body is responding. Share your journey. If you have family or friends facing similar problems, talk about what you're doing. Sometimes, helping others is the best way to help ourselves. Check in with yourself regularly. Once a week, ask, how are my muscles feeling? Am I taking those extra steps for my health? Stay tuned. New research on magnesium and aging is emerging all the time. I'll keep you updated with practical, science-backed advice to keep you safe and strong. The reality is, you can't prevent every health challenge, but you can take real control over your muscle strength by prioritizing the right nutrients and daily habits. Pause and ask, what's one thing from today's video you can put into practice immediately? Who in your life could benefit from this knowledge? By taking action, you're protecting your independence, boosting your confidence, and rewriting what aging means, one day at a time. Improvements in muscle strength from better magnesium intake can usually be seen within a few weeks, especially when paired with gentle physical activity. Harvard and Mayo Clinic both highlight the seniors who track their habits and celebrate progress stay healthier, longer. Now let's wrap up together with one last important step. If this has opened your eyes, don't just leave it at that. Take one small step tonight to protect your health. Choose one magnesium-rich meal, jot down a quick note about how your muscles feel, or call a loved one and share what you learned. And if you haven't yet, hit subscribe. Because in the next video, I'll show you a simple daily habit that can quietly reverse years of hidden damage without drastic changes or expensive treatments. Remember, staying strong isn't just about living longer. It's about living well, with confidence and independence. You deserve it.